Hi, welcome back to the vintage NECCHI sewing machines. Today I will show you the feed dog mechanism. Every vintage NECCHI, it doesn't matter if it's a Supernova or Supernova Julia or another version of a vintage NECCHI, all of them had the knob for drop down the feed dog here. This is necessary to stop the transport of the fabric here. So often after a long sitting, the mechanism don't work. You try to push it, but there's no movement in both directions. Nothing. We will have a closer look at the mechanism. By pushing the bottom and the upper side of the machine, there is a lever here. The lever is connected to a spring-loaded connecting rod, and this rod pushes a little cylinder in this housing here. And the problem is the old sewing machine oil stocks inside, and the cylinder don't move into the position to lock in this part here. The fastest solution for this is to heat it up. We give them a heated. What's wrong with this? Okay. There's no plastic inside, so it is no problem with the heating process. If the old oil came out there normally, and now you can try to push the lever, and you will see this little cylinder make a moving, and that's the right function here. And if I turn the machine, you can see the mechanism is connected with this lever here, and the feed dogs is working there. And if I push the button and lowering the feed dog, I disconnect this rod that moves the feed dog, and the feed dog moves down. By turning the wheel, the hand wheel, you see the mechanic is disengaged and the rod for the feed dog doesn't work. Okay, and there's another function of this lever here. If you turn it counterclockwise, no, sorry, if you turn the push button clockwise and in this position, it is permanently lowering the feed dog, and in this position they lowering the feed dog. Now I'm lowering, and exactly for 1 stitch, and then it came up automatically. Okay, I show you once again the underside. Came a little closer. Try to show you this in detail here. Now I push the button. This is the function for 1 stitch. Lowering, turn the machine. Okay, hope this is a good solution for servicing the disengaging mechanism from the feed dog. That's it. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoy watching. This is it from NECCHI Vintage Sewing Machines.